filling up our fucking lane. Oh, it's hard to see the Galassi.
It's slashing.
I'm fucking gonna be right in the middle of the road. 'Cause fuck these guys. That guy's going for the outer lane too.